Hi all, and welcome to today's practice, the Mindful Mirror. It is intended to connect the universe around us with the universe within, acknowledging what ties us all together, while also providing insight from our mind, body, and deepest soul. Start by finding a place to sit comfortably, aligning your spine, and start to tune in to the environment around you. What do you notice? Do not judge anything, just identify and observe it. First focusing on sight. What do you see? Maybe there are items in your living space that you have known are there, but you have not truly seen in a long time. Simply say out loud, "I see," and remain curious, just observing for the next couple moments. Now it shifts and tune into what we hear. Again, maybe you hear a familiar sound, but not one you've truly heard with such clarity and focus. Simply acknowledge out loud, "I hear," and take a few moments to truly hear. And when you feel content, start to notice your seat. What do you feel beneath and below you? Is it hard or soft? Does it provide adequate support? Again, do not judge. Simply just acknowledge out loud, "I feel." Do this for the next couple moments. Let's now shift from the external to the internal. Start to notice how your body feels internally. You may start to notice sensations that you do not like. However, simply just let it be a sensation and say internally, "I feel," and move on to the next bodily feeling, just observing. You may notice there are good and bad sensations as we continue to do this exercise. Do not evaluate, just let it be a sensation. Eventually all might just spin together and become something completely different. It may just be your body asking for attention. When you provide it, it can move on. Continue to focus on these internal feelings as long as you need. And when you're ready, start to put focus into the internal sound. What do you hear within? Let your mind speak to you. Whatever thoughts come in, just let them be thoughts, and internally say to yourself, "I hear." And do not judge, just listen. Sometimes all we truly want is to be heard. Often when we loop on something, it may continue until the part of us that wants to speak feels the whole has heard what it wants us to hear. Take as much time as you need to listen. When you're ready, Let's begin to tune in to the mind's eye. For the third eye, connect with the space above your nose in the center between your two eyes. Allow it to show you whatever images it conjures. Again, this may be easy to see or difficult. Whatever you see, just acknowledge internally, I see. Allow yourself to give up control and see whatever the universe within wants to share. Allow yourself to focus on internal sight for a couple more minutes or however long you need. Sometimes become too internal, forgetting about the world around us, and other times we are too absorbed by our environment. When we have awareness of both, without judgments, we can truly be free to explore without limits, and reach a flow state between the universe within and the greater universe outside. They are mirrors, and they are one. So let's end the practice with putting some awareness to the bridges between these universes. Put your hands on your heart and just notice its beat. We slow down and speed up with the rhythms of the universe. Yet, an open heart, just like an open mind, allows us to stay connected and in control of what we cannot outside. Let's now put our hands on our stomach and tune into the breath, the ultimate connector. We provide the universe with our breath, and we invite it in with each breath. With each in-that breath, you recall that this is the breath of the air that's powered by the plants, the trees, and the earth. A true gift. As we breathe out, we're sharing and providing back what they need. It's a reciprocal process that connects us. We are one with the earth. It's truly a beautiful thing. Life starts and ends with each breath. So continue to notice as you breathe in and breathe out, the rise and fall of your belly and the connection within to the connection with outside of ourselves. Let's take one final deep breath to close out the practice. But first, let's imagine golden healing light of the universe shining down from above, coming in to the top of your crown, and allow it to continue below your feet, down into the earth. As we take this final cleansing breath, take the universal sound of Om with me. Breathing in, Om. Thank you and have a beautiful day. See you next time.